Hi, I'm Tara Polak, physical therapist at Evolution Physical Therapy, here to talk a little bit about how to recover from a knee replacement surgery. Now, there are a lot of variables that you have to consider about rehabbing after a knee replacement. You have to take into consideration how much pain and how much swelling you're having after the surgery. But if your doctor has cleared you to walk and for movement, to light exercises, we definitely want to encourage early movement and early walking so that you can get the range of motion back into the knee. You also want to remember to wear any compression stockings that the doctor has given you to wear after your surgery and be compliant with that to help control swelling. Swelling can also be controlled by elevating the leg up above your heart, at the same time icing the leg. I like to use the acronym RICE: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. That will definitely speed up the recovery from your knee surgery. And the one thing physical therapists are very consistent with is that you don't rest with anything under your knee. If that knee is in a bent position, you might not be able to get the knee all the way straight eventually. So remember, leg all the way out straight, and if you're going to elevate up on a few pillows so the leg is still straight. Never put anything under the knee, or you might develop what we call a knee flexion contracture, to the point where the leg won't extend again. So make sure when you're resting it's nice and straight, and don't have anything propped right up under the knee. That will definitely aid in your recovery. I'm Tara, and this is how to recover from a knee replacement surgery.